All right, so we are here at this project on Eastleigh Crescent in Langley, BC. This project is really unique. It's got its own challenges, and it's because we are on top of a parking garage. So we are here building a 30-foot pondless waterfall. And what we had to do, because we have concrete right below us, we actually have to build everything up. As part of the design is to build a rock wall that looks better than a regular block wall or something like that, because it actually matches and works with the stone that's going to be in the water feature. We went ahead and put in our aqua blocks, our liner and everything. We wrapped it up like a nice little present, and then we got the sling trucks in here. They slinged in a total of 40 yards of material, 20 yards of sand and 21 yards of turf blend. This is our reservoir. This is a 230-gallon reservoir. This stores our water for our feature. It's going to get pumped up via these two pipes, the two different spillways. Tomorrow we are going to put in our liner. We are going to start setting rock. For the next couple days we'll set rock on here, and then we're going to take this to the next level. you.